Okay, here we go. Muche to unchi nahi hai na, muche nichi. It changes the entire personality. Muche upar ho jaye to. Life has treated me well. I grew up in Karachi, born and bred here. This color says, please look at me. This is the look at me color. Are we ready? Let's go. I, as a kid, had a neighbor who had a 1957 Chevy. I fell in love with that car. I must be about 14 years old. See, you get the bug at a very early stage. This is my pride and joy. This is a Riley Roadster, and known as a Casablanca Roadster. My juices flow when I see an old antique car. Something I picked up from USA. A show grill for rolls. A brand new car would not excite me a bit, but an old 50s or 40s or 30s car would be so exciting that agar bukhar bhi aa raha tha, I would not mind going out and having a look at it. 1949, only 504 cars were built, out of which I think 1 or 2 came to Pakistan. It's not basically a car. This is an English model. It's made in England, but basically made for the US market. In our world or in our hobby, the kind of cars we get to see, the kind of designs we get to see, we describe them as artistry in metal. And of its time, it used to be an expensive and a fast sports car. We don't call them automobiles. We call them artistry in metal, and which they are. Oh, boy. Oh yeah, life में अगर लेमी ने थोड़े से पैसे दिए तो enjoy life. Try to go for the best if you can afford it. Yes, I have lived a wonderful life. I have seen times where things were very nice and cool. Everybody wanted to be hip. I'm a Harley fan. This is when I was young. I had my own Harleys there. I had Harleys here. My mustache and beard comes from those days, from the Harley days. See how a man changes with age. You live a life where people would crave for your company. So far, so good. And when you die, they would come and cry for you. This is the kind of life you should live. Shall we go for a little ride? This is an amazing car. We restored it here. This is a serious part of our club, Vintage and Classic Car Club. This is my hobby. I enjoy music. I think it's a fantastic thing for your soul. I enjoy music, enjoy vintage cars, enjoy good food. I'm an amazing cook. It eases off my tensions. It's going to be a little on the spicy side. I only cook when my employee is not there and my wife is not there. And this is the living area, drawing room. You check with the Persian carpet. This has been in our family since 90 years. At the age of 21, I was already married. I had a love marriage, thank God for that. I advocate love marriage, seriously, honest to God. I think it's my wife's training. She's trained me well to run the house. It's a pizza oven outside. And you can cook pizza in there, you can cook chicken, you can cook breads. So I use that once in a while in winter times. This is basically the entrance of the bistro. Normally when I get my friends and they don't come from inside. They walk through the greenery. Very liberal times I have seen. Times where you would not think you will be offending anybody. Of all the qualities I have, people mostly know me because of this car. Mohata Palace has been designed by my grandfather. Hindu Gymkhana has been designed by my grandfather. My father has worked on those buildings. So maqsad ye, I have seen those times in this city where things were beautiful. Pakistan is one country where if you work a little hard, you can achieve amazing things. Amazing feeling to drive this car. You have one life to live. You have to live the best you can without hurting anybody. Everybody who sees it, I get a smile. We have to live and let live. I think the ride is over now.